In this video, you will practice real-life English conversation step by step.
Excuse me, is this your first time traveling here?
Yes, it is my first visit to this city.
Welcome. How was your journey?
It was good, but a bit long.
Did you come by plane or train?
I came by plane.
Was the flight comfortable?
Yes, the service was nice.
Do you have a lot of luggage?
Just one suitcase and a backpack.
Do you need help finding a taxi?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
The taxi stand is just outside.
Thank you for telling me.
Where are you staying?
I booked a hotel near the city center.
That's a good area.
Is it easy to travel from there?
Yes, public transport is very good.
That's great to hear.
Do you already have a city map?
No, I don't have one yet.
You can get one at the information desk.
Thank you for the suggestion.
How long will you stay here?
I will stay for 5 days.
What places do you want to visit?
I want to see museums and local markets.
The local market is very famous.
I love exploring markets.
Are you traveling alone?
No, I'm traveling with my family.
That sounds fun.
Yes, we are very excited.
Do you need a hotel recommendation?
I already booked one online.
Was the booking process easy?
Yes, it was very simple.
Did you choose a budget hotel or luxury?
A budget hotel with good reviews.
Reviews are very important.
Yes, I always read reviews first.
Have you exchanged currency yet?
Not yet. I plan to do it today.
There is an exchange counter nearby.
Thanks for letting me know.
Do you prefer cash or card payments?
I usually use both.
Cards are widely accepted here.
That's convenient.
Are you hungry after the trip?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
There's a good restaurant across the street.
What kind of food do they serve?
They serve local and international food.
That sounds perfect.
Do you like spicy food?
A little, but not too much.
You can ask them to make it mild.
Good idea.
Do you need Wi-Fi access?
Yes, I need internet for maps.
Most cafes offer free Wi-Fi.
That's very helpful.
Do you have a local SIM card?
Not yet. I will buy one.
The airport shop sells SIM cards.
I should get one today.
It will make traveling easier.
I agree.
Have you planned your daily schedule?
Not completely. I like flexible plans.
That's a smart way to travel.
Yes, less stress that way.
Do you like guided tours?
Sometimes, if they are interesting.
There are many English-speaking guides here.
That's good for me.
You can book tours online or offline.
I will check online first.
Are you worried about language problems?
A little, but I try my best.
Most people understand basic English.
That makes me feel better.
Learning travel phrases really helps.
Yes, I'm practicing daily English.
That's the best way to improve.
Practice makes perfect.
Exactly.
I'm happy to hear that.
Do you need directions to your hotel?
Yes, please explain the route.
Take a taxi and show the address.
That's easy enough.
You can also use a navigation app.
I always use my phone for directions.
Technology makes travel simple.
Yes, very convenient.
Be careful with your belongings.
I will keep them safe.
Do you carry travel insurance?
Yes, I always do.
That's a wise decision.
It gives peace of mind.
Are you interested in shopping?
Yes, especially souvenirs.
The old market is best for souvenirs.
I will visit that place.
Don't forget to bargain politely.
I enjoy bargaining.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I love photography.
This city has many photo spots.
I'm excited to explore them.
Morning light is best for photos.
I will wake up early then.
Sunsets are beautiful too.
I never miss sunsets.
You have a traveler's spirit.
Thank you.
Are you feeling tired now?
A little because of jet lag.
Take some rest at the hotel.
That's a good idea.
Drink plenty of water.
I will remember that.
Tomorrow will be a busy day.
Yes, I have many plans.
Start with nearby places.
That makes sense.
Do you know emergency numbers here?
No, I don't.
You can save them on your phone.
I should do that.
Safety comes first.
I completely agree.
Do you prefer buses or trains?
I prefer trains.
Trains are fast and affordable.
That's perfect for tourists.
Have you tried local coffee yet?
Not yet, but I want to.
It's very popular here.
I love trying local drinks.
You should try it tomorrow morning.
I will do that.
Do you need help with anything else?
No, you helped me a lot.
I'm glad to help.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your stay in our city.
I'm sure I will.
If you need help, ask locals.
People seem very friendly here.
Yes, we welcome tourists warmly.
That makes traveling enjoyable.
Have a wonderful trip.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Safe travels.
Thanks again.
Did you check in at the hotel?
Yes, the process was smooth.
Was the staff friendly?
Very friendly and helpful.
That's good to hear.
I feel comfortable here.
Comfort is important while traveling.
Absolutely.
Are you ready to explore now?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's start with a short walk.
I would love that.
The weather is nice today.
Perfect for sightseeing.
Don't forget your camera.
It's always with me.
Let's enjoy the journey.
Every journey is a story.
Well said.
Traveling teaches us a lot.
You're already speaking good English.
Thank you. I'm learning daily.
Daily practice really helps.
Conversations like this are useful.
Keep practicing travel English.
I will continue learning.
You're doing great.
That motivates me.
Let's move ahead now.
Sure, let's go.
Are you enjoying the city so far?
Yes, very much.
First impressions matter.
And this one is great.
I hope you come again.
I definitely will.
Travel safely and happily.
Thank you for everything.
You're most welcome.
Have a nice day.
Take care during your trip.
I will.
Keep smiling and exploring.
Always.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye.
See you again.
Hope so.
Enjoy every moment.
I surely will.
Travel opens the mind.
And the heart, too.
That's true.
I'm grateful for this journey.
Life is a journey itself.
Beautifully said.
Safe travels, my friend.
Thank you, my friend.
Until next time.
Until next time.